Hey y'all, we are in Gassaway, West Virginia in Braxton County, and we had planned on filming an episode here today, but because West Virginia is so amazing, within 10 minutes of us showing up in town, the mayor of Gassaway showed up to introduce himself and to ask how he could help with our project. So we are going to be coming back to Gassaway this summer to film a proper episode about the history of Gassaway, West Virginia. And I can't tell you how excited I am. This is a town that has such an interesting history, and it's the history of the railroads here in West Virginia. And if you're unaware, Gassaway is named for a former West Virginia U.S. Senator named Henry Gassaway Davis. So the town of Gassaway is named for Henry Gassaway Davis, as well as the town of Davis up in Tucker County. So imagine that, like, you not only have two towns in West Virginia named for you, but you also even have a college. So Davis and Elkins College is on property that he once owned. So we are going to be back this summer. We are going to be doing a deep dive into Gassaway history, and very importantly, we're going to be talking about this depot that is right behind me that has just been beautifully restored and is on the National Register of Historic Places. I am so excited to show you this town, to tell you its history. This is like 4 miles off of I-79, and I don't think people realize just how full, jam-packed of history this town is. And so we're going to bring that to you this summer. I'm so excited, so stay tuned.
And thank you to Mayor Richie Roach for...
Oh my gosh, Mayor Roach is amazing. We just spent an hour driving around town with him and learning all kinds of history, which I had read about a 50-page paper about Gassaway already, but like, he just knows everybody in town, and he is going to be our guide to telling the story of Gassaway, West Virginia. So excited.